Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be probably a quick one, but I was asked that the air filters are pretty expensive, and when I saw the air filter I said that's the same thing that's in my X3. So 2019 X3, but I'll give you guys the part number. This is a performance air filter, which is a 715002895, and this is a BRP product, which is Can-Am. It's a twin air foam air filter. I ordered the skin to go on top for spare, but the one you get to anyways, let's pop the side open. Let's get to the air filter. So simple enough, just pop these 3 clips right here and then lift up, pull out. So, and then this one, just pull up, pull back, lift up, like so. All right. And with these here, the only thing is that you need to get, when you wash them, you need to get some foam filter. You spray that on it, just a thin coat, like you'd be doing like your first coat of paint, quick paint there or something. So that's all you need to do. I believe this one is already lubed up from factory. This here, check out how small the hole is, and that's got to go over that. So, and also don't force it in, just be nice and smooth with it. And then the back as well, push it in good before you sit it down, because you're going to chew up the filter. And if you want it to look really good, you put the twin air name at the top just to be special. And then line this up in the hole, push it as far forward, and then sit it down nice and snug. And this way here, well, you don't have to buy those paper things, and this is just wash that with palm olive or Downy or whatever, just a mild dish soap there, and then let it dry. That's why I ordered another top skin. This comes with an insert, but a metal meshing, orange meshing inside, and that's what gives you that shape. That's why the first time you buy it, it's going to be a little bit more expensive initially, I think. Okay, jeez. And simple as that. So no more just throwing away your filter, and it's good for the environment, right? So we're saving the environment, whatever. But yeah, so I'll keep this as a spare. But anyway, and this too, if you're playing in the snow and the vents and humidity and everything, well, paper tends to get humid and hold humidity, right? And see, this one is already getting dirty and changing colors. But anyways, that's all. So this simple one, let's fire it up if it sounds the same. I'm just curious. Alright, so yeah, sounds the same. But anyways. And so thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. I just wanted to make a quick one. I always ask that these filters are expensive and everything, so why replace them all the time? This way here, well, you don't, you just wash them. So And then if you're like me, well, you order an extra one. So when you let it dry, you're not waiting. You just slap the other foam on there, slap the other one, let the other one dry for 2 or 3 days in the garage. But that's it. It's besides that, they're awesome filters. Been using them for 6 years now. So catch you on the next one. Bye for now.